Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Coaxial Master Chronometer Moon Phase Chronograph Ceramic Blue Dial and Ceramic Blue Bezel with a leather strap. Its number is 304.93.44.52.03.002. Quite a mouthful of numbers. We'll leave a link in the description below for our site. Now, this watch is 44.25 millimeters in diameter end to end between thumb and forefinger, and it's a caliber number 9904, so it keeps time very accurately. We'll be showing you how this works. So, as you can see, I have time set to about 10:11 right now, and what we can do is we can just open up the crown here, unscrew the crown, and at this first position, rotating the crown clockwise allows you to change the phase of the moon with each tick, as you can see at the 6 o'clock position. Rotating the crown counterclockwise changes the position of the moon and the date on the dial located at the 9 o'clock position. Pulling out the crown one more step allows you to change the time by adjusting the minute hand on the dial. Pushing the crown back in, screwing it back into place, will allow you to keep time as normal. Now, if you've noticed, this entire time the second hand has not moved at all. That's because this is a chronograph, and so you can choose to use it to track your time just by simply pressing this button at the 2 o'clock position. And now the second hand moves. I'll stop at the 10-second position by pressing it again, and I can reset the second hand by pressing this bottom button at the 4 o'clock position. And just like that, the second hand moves back to the 12 o'clock position. Very easy. Now, as this is a ceramic body, ceramic bezel, it's very scratch resistant, very tough, and a leather strap for a very stylish look. To undo the clasp, simply press the buttons on either side, and it unfolds very interestingly. And trying this watch on, my wrist is a little bit thinner than that of most. Zooming out a bit in my light box here, you can see I still have plenty of room, so this can be adjusted to be smaller. But it seems pretty good. It feels a bit big on me, again, because my wrist is a bit smaller than most people of my build. However, this is an excellent watch, as it is also one of the watches that has been that has a legacy of going to the moon and back, each model, as shown by the phases of the moon and also the starry background, as you can see, shining in the background of the dial. So yeah, it's a very excellent watch, very good for timekeeping, very good for keeping track of time using the timer, the chronograph. So you can use it to track business meetings, laps around your block or a track, or even while swimming. What do you think about this watch? What do you think about Omega's legacy of sending their watches to the moon? And perhaps, where would you wear this watch? Would you use it at, say, your next track meeting, or perhaps a business meeting, to show that bold, dark blue look with easily readable time? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.